students. Class is now in session. Hello, children. I'm your teacher, Miss Dinky Doo. Hi, Pinky. Hello, Miss Dinky Doo. Okay, now it's time for a pop quiz.
We interrupt this program for a very important bulletin. Here's PBS Newsstand.
Actual UFOs from outer space were spotted touching down on Greater Carbondale. We'll bring you more on this discovery as it develops. For PBS, this is WEIU.
We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
Story? Yes, sir, Rudy. Positini. Yes, sir, Rudy. Positini.
We interrupt this program for a very important bulletin. Here's PBS Newsstand.
We at PBS would like to apologize for its story on UFOs above Carbondale. The story has turned out to be false, frivolous, and baseless, and was merely assumption-based, solely on a child's recent nightmare. For PBS, this is WEIU.
We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
Hey, Nicholas, what's wrong?
Miss McGann's is sick today.
That's okay. We'll make her feel better. But how? Should we...
We interrupt this program for a very important bulletin. Here's PBS Newsstand.
Mysterious markings. That is what we are here to find out from this 16mm print. From the 1960s, a Jacksonville child found today in his family's attic. For PBS, this is WEIU.
We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
And read books in bed. Perfect. That's what my parents let me do when I'm sick.
Great idea, Pinky. But you know what this means?
What?
When your regular teacher is sick, you get a sub.
We interrupt this program for a very important bulletin. Here's PBS Newsstand.
Our advanced equipment people have only seconds ago deduced it is a 1970s Orville Redenbacher popcorn commercial acquired from then CBS affiliate WCIA to the child's family as a gift during an airing of an animated Charlie Brown special. For PBS, this is WEIU.
We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
What are you gonna do?
I hate potatoes. Everyone was talking really loud, all at once. They were making a real, what's that word? Wait a minute, Pinky. You mean when everyone's making a lot of noise at the same time? That's,
We interrupt this program for a very important bulletin. Here's PBS Newsstand.
A golf cheerleading league has started right here at Eastern Illinois University, attracting boys by the tons, and even elementary-aged male children ages 4 to 11, enamored by their amazing good looks. For PBS, this is WEIU.
We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.
Hello, class. I'm your substitute teacher, Miss Zero Goblat. But you can call me...
Miss Zero!
Wow, she has 4 arms.
Oh, that's more comfortable. I forgot to...
Interrupt this program.
Turns out, for the longest time, these cheerleaders were always busy doing another. Cheer for a different sport. Unless, what do you think? Should golf have cheerleaders? For the sake of competition, this is... That's right, we said it. And if you don't agree, maybe this will make you fool. PBS, this is WEIU, the station that kills time.